Do you want to gain appreciation of your partner? If the answer is yes, here are simple 3 steps. Step number 1. Listen carefully, ask questions, and offer possible solutions. Everyone wants to be heard, and so does your partner. So whenever your partner is sharing some need or some challenge, listen to him or her with an intent of understanding, without waiting for your turn to reply back. Ask questions to know more about what he or she is feeling and what he or she wants. And then assure him or her that I am with you and I know you'll surely solve this. And then offer possible solutions. Start with saying, what if we do this? But when you are offering a solution, do not push your partner to accept that solution. Remember, your role is to just give a sounding board and help him or her brainstorm. Trust me, your partner will appreciate you for this. Step number 2. Become a great team to your partner. Relationships are all about being a team. So whenever you feel that your partner needs something, go to him or her and proactively play your part in solving that challenge that he or she is facing. Some tasks may not even take 5 minutes, but when you proactively go and play your part, your partner will feel supported. Even if you are not doing anything and just standing beside him or her, he or she will value that. While you are doing something for your partner, show to him or her that he or she matters to you. Do not wait for any appreciation. Just play your part in his or her life. Be involved. Trust me, your partner will value that. Step number 3. Feel confident within and appreciate your partner. If you appreciate your partner often, he or she will also get into a habit of appreciating you. Remember, when you're appreciating your partner, feel confident within yourself. If you sound unsure of yourself, your partner may feel good about himself or herself, but may think less of you. So make sure that you appear confident and self-respecting. And then your partner will find you worthy of appreciation. Try appreciating your partner face to face and looking into his or her eyes. Also make sure that you appreciate your partner in public and also behind his or her back. Trust me, your partner will start appreciating you for that. We at Mind Tigers focus on the right actions and the right habits. We offer training programs which are practical and skill-based. We help you develop those right habits and right actions so that you can create love-filled relationships. We provide you with a personal trainer who handholds you for 49 days, helping you do the right actions every day with simple assignments that take only 5 minutes. Do like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the notification bell so that you can get to know about our next videos. Till then, good luck!